How to fix FIFA Mobile not loading. If FIFA Mobile is not loading properly on your device, you can try several troubleshooting steps to resolve the issue. The first thing to do is to make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet, since poor connectivity can lead to loading issues. After you connect to an internet, you can start the application and see if that fixes the issue. If it still doesn't work, then simply restart the application. Slide from the bottom of your iPhone and you'll be able to see this control panel with your FIFA Mobile card. Simply swipe it up in order to close off FIFA Mobile. Now open the FIFA Mobile application again, and doing this might help your problem to be resolved or fix temporary glitches. If the problem still persists, then you can try reinstalling the app. Simply go ahead and get back to your home page or the app drawer and find FIFA Mobile. Press hold the FIFA Mobile application and click on Remove App. Tap on the Delete App button twice. And after you delete your FIFA Mobile application, reinstall it back again by going to your App Store or your Play Store. Search for FIFA Mobile and then download the application again on your mobile device. Once it is downloaded, tap the Open button to launch Open FIFA Mobile, which might help you fix the issue. Sometimes uninstalling and reinstalling your application might do wonders and resolve issues caused by corrupted app file. If you have tried all of the steps and FIFA Mobile still isn't loading, then it might be a more complex situation. Reach out to the game's official support channel for assistance, since they might have specific solution for your problem. Those were some of the fixes you could try out if you are going through FIFA Mobile not loading on your iOS device. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll be back soon with another tutorial video. Goodbye till then.